Getting 100,000 in business funding is easier than you think if you follow the right steps, but most people make huge mistakes that get them denied or stuck with low limits. In this video, I'll be breaking down how you can secure six figures in funding for your business, even if you're just starting out. I'll show you exact steps to build business credit, the banks and lenders that approve the fastest, and strategies my clients use to get high limit funding in 30 days or less. Plus, if you want a custom funding plan, go ahead and DM me the word funding on Instagram, and I'll personally help you find some funding options for your business. The biggest mistake entrepreneurs make is waiting for too long to secure funding. Here's the reality. Banks want to lend to businesses that look fundable. If your business isn't structured the right way, you'll get denied even if you have great personal credit. Three things lenders look for before approving you: a properly structured business, LLC, EIN, and bank. Open a business bank account. This shows that the lenders that you're serious. Next, you're going to want to build your business credit. Now, this isn't a necessary step, but it could help you in the long run. Even if you have no revenue, you want to apply for some trade lines, vendor trade lines, Uline, Quill, Granger. I recommend using some other ones like eCredible, Credit Strong. If you're using these net 30s that I mentioned before, the Uline, Quill, Granger, you're going to want to make some small purchases, pay on time, and wait for them to report. Dun& Bradstreet, Experian Business. Next, you're going to want to apply for some business credit cards. Low requirement options would be your Divvy, or now it's called Bill Spend, Brex, Capital on Tap, and then some high limit options such as Amex Business Platinum, Chase Inc., Bank of America, Business Cash. You can also get business lines of credit, Wells Fargo, Chase, PNC, but they require some revenue coming through your business bank account. Some of these mistakes are applying too soon. Generally, you want to be building a relationship 3 to 6 months with the bank that you're looking for credit. Mistake number two is not having any business credit reporting. Even one or two trade lines can make a world of difference. Mistake number three is using your personal credit instead of business credit. This limits how much funding you can get. Generally, credit lines on the business side tend to be a bigger amount, sometimes 3 to 5 times what your highest personal credit limit is. You want to avoid these mistakes and you'll have a much higher chance in getting approved for the 100,000 or more that you are seeking. Now that you know exactly how to get 100,000 in business funding, it's time to take action. So if you want a custom plan based on your business, go ahead and DM me the word funding on Instagram. I'll have the link here. I also will have a link to set up a call with me personally, and I can help you build the right strategy or offer you our done for you service. And you can lay back while we go and get all the funding that you require. And all you have to do is submit some documents and follow our process. And if this video is helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment. I want to know what's your biggest challenge when it comes to funding. I'll personally reply to every comment that you leave. And until next time, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you like this. Share it with a friend. That's how we can get the channel to keep popping up and we can provide more value to you guys.